Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's start. Sky blue, green, yellow, red, orange, black, blue, violet, light green, purple, brown, pink, black color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.